Is your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max speaker volume very low? Here's how to fix it. First, max out the volume using the side buttons and check Control Center. Disable mono audio if enabled, as this can reduce output. Next, use the built-in water eject feature by asking Siri, "Hey Siri, water eject." This plays a tone to remove water from the speakers. Also go to Settings, General, About Speaker Test, introduced in iOS 18.2 to confirm hardware integrity. If the volume is still weak, the speaker mesh might be blocked. A blocked speaker mesh is a common cause of weak volume. To clean it safely, use compressed air to blow out any dust or debris. If that doesn't work, gently use a soft bristled brush or a cotton swab lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol. Carefully brush the speaker grill to dislodge particles. Avoid pushing debris further in. Let the area dry completely before testing the speaker. For persistent issues or possible water damage, consider contacting Apple support to avoid voiding your warranty with unauthorized repairs.